TeraFlex's RockGuard Basin Rear Bumper for the JL Wrangler gives enough room to install a 42-inch tire, even on the tailgate. Its simple, low-profile design provides a better departure angle and is considerably stronger than the factory steel bumpers. It fits around the factory trailer hitch and can be installed on vehicles with parking sensors. Be aware, before the installation, that this bumper does not have a location mount for the license plate. The TeraFlex license plate relocation bracket is an excellent option that relocates the license plate and license plate light to the spare tire. Its installation can easily be done in tandem with the rear bumper. A spare tire delete kit is also available. Begin the installation process by removing the lower section of the rear inner fender liner. This will not be reinstalled. Remove the outer sheet metal support brackets on both sides of the bumper. Disconnect the plug that connects the backup sensors located on the driver's side of the vehicle. If you have a trailer wiring harness socket, detach it from the frame. Retain the hardware for reinstallation later. On the factory steel bumpers, remove the 2 bolts on the underside of the bumper. The plastic bumpers will not have these. Remove the 2 bottom bolts on the tow hook. Remove the hardware holding the bumper to the second outer sheet metal support bracket and the support bracket to the frame. The hardware is a little different for steel and plastic bumpers, but they get removed in the same locations. You are now free to remove the bumper. If your vehicle is equipped with backup sensors, then you will need to disconnect the wire harness from the inside of the bumper. There are many clips holding it in place, but they come out fairly easily. We unplugged the wire harness from the sensor. You do not need to do this, but we did it so it's easier to see how to remove the sensor. Just be careful not to break the plugs or the locks on the plugs if you do unplug them. Remove the sensor by pushing down on the bottom end with a flathead screwdriver and then pushing up with the pick or another flathead screwdriver. Basically, you just need to get the plastic over these 2 tabs on the sensor. Transfer the sensors to the new bumper so that they are in the exact same location and orientation. This is critical for them to function properly. Install the backing plate onto the studs and use the tiny hardware to tighten it down. Do this for all 4 sensors. Reattach the wire harness if you removed it. Make sure the plug goes on the driver's side. Attach the background plate behind the TeraFlex logo. This plate has a smooth finish and can easily be painted to match the body color or as an accent color. It also just looks good black. Set the D-ring mount into place. Install the bumper onto the vehicle reusing the factory bolts. It's good if you have a friend to help with bumper installation. The TeraFlex bumper bolts directly onto the frame. Reconnect the sensor plug. If you have a trailer wiring harness socket, use the provided spacers to reinstall it so it sits a little lower than the bottom of the bumper. If you do not have parking sensors, use the provided plugs to fill the holes in the bumper. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.